In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page transitions in Wix. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can control how your pages appear when visitors move around your site. These transitions can really influence how smooth and professional your website feels. And the good news is they're very easy to set up. First, start by logging into your Wix account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Here, make sure you're under the Setup tab on the left-hand side panel. This area helps you manage the basics of your site. Now, look up to the top right corner of the dashboard and find the button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. Wix will open your site editor in a new page or tab. This editor is where you control the design, layout, and behavior of your website. When the editor loads, turn your attention to the left panel. This is the main design toolbar. In this panel, look for the option called Site Design. Click on it, and a new Site Design panel will slide open. Inside the Site Design panel, you'll see several design options for your site as a whole. Here, find and click on Page Transitions. As soon as you click it, the panel will switch to show you the different transition styles available. You'll see options such as None, Horizontal, Vertical, Crossfade, and Out-In. These describe how the next page appears when a visitor navigates around your site. For example, a horizontal transition might slide the new page in from the side, while a crossfade gently fades from one page to the next. Click through each option one by one to preview how it looks in the editor. Wix will show you a quick demonstration so you can get a feel for the motion and timing of each transition. Take a moment to choose the one that best matches your site's style and the experience you want to create for your visitors. Once you're happy with your selection, you're almost done. Look again to the top right of the editor and click either Save to store your changes or Publish if you're ready for the new transitions to go live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page transitions in Wix, and your site's navigation should now feel smoother and more engaging.